Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into the product that I want to share with you today. It is a computer monitor light by a company called Quntis. I will include a link in the description that'll take you to Amazon. You can check it out for yourself, see if it's on sale, all that fun stuff. But essentially, when you order it, this is everything you're going to get. You're going to get a user manual, which is going to tell you all the settings and features and how to install it. But we're going to go over that all here shortly. You're also going to get a nice USB to USB Type-C cable. It is super long, and it has got this braided cord here, so it's nice and durable. Much higher quality than some of the other cables that I've gotten with various products. And the length, they give you plenty of length here to get it set up however you need. There's going to be a little baggie, and you're going to get this little hexagonal wrench here. I'm not really sure what this is used for because there's no little device to put this in, but they include this. And then they're going to give you another spacer adapter. And this is going to go attached to your monitor clip. And depending on your monitor's thickness, you may or may not need this. I don't need to use it, but if your monitor's super thin, essentially what you do is you pull this apart, and that's how you kind of get it to fit your monitor. So you pull that apart, and then you just slide this in there, and it will it'll basically reduce that gaps and make it fit to whatever monitor you need. Now, the clip itself, like I said, you just open this up, clip it on your monitor, and then it has a counterweight here to just helps it hold in place. This whole product setup is designed for monitors that are 0.06 inches to 1.4 inches. So if your monitor falls in that range when you're talking about depth, then this should work for you. Now, it's also designed for monitors that are between 15 and 22 inches wide. Once you fall outside of that range, obviously if you're really small, then the bar may look a little awkward because it'll hang longer than the monitor. But if your monitor is longer, well, you may not get full coverage on the screen, and so it kind of reduces the effect. It is also won't work for curved monitors, obviously because it's just a straight bar. And then you really shouldn't use it on a laptop because the laptop parts are really, really thin. And if you have a touch screen laptop or anything like that, that could kind of mess with it. But essentially, the last part here is the light bar itself. So the bar itself is 15.7 inches long, which for me is a great size for my monitor. It has a nice frosted lens here, which covers the LED diodes, and so you don't see all the little hot spots. On the back here, you can see is the Type-C connection where you will hook it up. And then on the top here is where all the controls are. So you're going to have, on the very end here, it's all touch sensitive. You're going to have the brightness level, the color temperature, the auto sensing, and the power buttons. And we're going to go show you all those features here very, very shortly. But essentially one of the nice things I liked about this one is this auto sensing. It's really nice because the whole purpose of having a monitor light bar is to help reduce eye strain and reduce glare. And with the auto sensing mode, it's going to adjust automatically to the light that's coming in from outside. So if night starts falling or it's kind of looking stormy outside, then the light will adjust accordingly. But it's really easy to install. You're simply going to want to line this hole up on the back here and slide it in place like so. So that way you got access here, and then you're going to want to make sure this is not covering at all. And so then from here, like I said, you're just going to pull this apart and slide it down to where you want it to work. And then take your threaded cable, and you're just going to plug this in the back. So that way it will get its power. All right, so now that it's kind of installed, just turn it on. You just simply press the button, and as you can see, it has plenty of light hitting here. and we'll go through the color temperatures. So this is the dimmest setting, and it's kind of hard to see because it's light outside, but just simply tap it until it gets to the bright level that you want. And then the color temperature, so this is the warmest, so this is the 3000K, and then you have another setting, and then you have a wider, and then this is the 6500K, and then it goes back to the warm level. And then you can customize your dimming level to whatever you want. And then of course, if you want to turn in that auto sensing, you just hit that button. A little blue light will turn on here in the front and will let you know that it is up and running. And then if you are not using it, you can just hit the power button and it will turn off. Now, if there's an ideal color temperature or dimming level and you want to save that, you can just need to hold down the button for 3 seconds and it will kind of memorize it in your favorite mode. But that's basically the ins and outs of this light bar. I really do recommend it if you spend a lot of time in front of the computer and you are looking to reduce that eye strain and glare. Like I said, I will include a link in the description that'll take you to the product page. Feel free to check it out. I do typically respond to comments, so feel free to hit me up in the comment section if you have any questions or comments. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.